Hey everyone, I'm Kevin. Today in the garage we're going to be installing our universal roof rack LED that's going to be offered by Victory 4x4 and JCR Off-Road. So these should be a pretty easy install. You're going to have your main outer clamshell section, a backing plate, your light of course, a little bit of hardware, and then I've actually grabbed a bare roof rack side rail. This one specifically is pretty small. It's from a Tacoma access cab, just to kind of show you how these clamp onto the side rails, and we'll kind of give you a brief view of it up on this 4Runner afterward as well. We'll start out with getting the light installed to the outer clamshell. So for that, you'll find the number 8 button head bolts. Those will go from the outside in. You can then drop the provided spacers over each bolt. Followed by the light itself, and those spacers are just going to kind of nest down into the cutouts here on the light housing. And then on the back side, once you get that all kind of lined up and pushed flush, on the back side you can install the number 8 nylock nuts. To get this tightened up, you'll need an 11/32 wrench or socket on the nut side. You can either try and hold this tight through this whole process, or you might just have to make some kind of final adjustments and make sure you get it lined up at the end as things are getting tight. But then out on the button head bolt side, you'll need a 3/32 hex, and you can slowly tighten these into place. Now with these being nylock nuts on the back side, you don't need to go crazy tightening this up. Just make sure you get the spacers and the light seated so there's no rattle or movement here between the light and the outer shell. Once you've done that, you can grab the backer plate and the roof rack or roof rack side rail as I have it here. You'll slide the backer plate on the inside of the side rail. The light and clamshell will go over the outside, making sure you get the wires routed through this center cutout. And then you can grab your remaining hardware, which is going to be 1/4 button heads, and get those lined up. And then install the 1/4 flanged nylock nuts. So then to tighten this hardware, you'll need a 7/16 wrench and a 5/32 hex. And then it's just a matter of getting these aligned, preferably parallel to the top edge of your rack for the most kind of visually appealing installation, and snugging it up. So your final result should look something like I have here. Here's a quick look at the backside once installed, and then it's just a matter of getting these wired up. Now we showed you one light in its assembly on that Tacoma side rail. However, these will be sold in pairs, so expect to get 2 of everything you saw there. Here we have it installed up on our 4Runner, so you can see it installed on a fully installed roof rack, as well as one that has our side accent panels and kind of how it's going to look on there. Now we did originally design these with the intention of being a roof rack light for both Victory and JCR Off-Road, our sister company. However, they can be installed really on any flat surface as long as it has an appropriate sized cutout. So anything 4 to 4.5 inches wide should allow you to clamp this into place, and then it's just up to you to get it wired up. Then with your wiring finished up, your installation is complete. So if you have any questions about these or any other products we offer, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can send an email to info@victory4x4.com, info@jcroffroad.com, or call us at 269-459-8447.